Hi, my name's Skye. See if you can answer each question before I do. 8 times 3 equals 24. 9 fours. 36. 4 eighths. 32. 8 tens. 80. 9 tens. 90. 6 fours. 24. 8 fours. 32. 7 threes. 21. 10 eighths. 80. 4 nines. 36. 10 tenths. 100. 5 sevens. 35. 5 eighths. 40. 8 fives. 40. 10 nines. 90. 7 fives. 35. 4 sixes. 24. 3 sevens. 21. 3 eighths. 24. Well done, you. Now try Math Trainer at mathisfun.com.